this lesson, we're going to break down that drum fill that you just saw. Let's do it. Hey, what's up drummers? Back with our weekly upload, and in this lesson we're going to be working on a drum fill that consists of 6 notes, and the pattern goes kick, right, left, left. Now in order to get this fill to sound right, we want to make sure that we're applying the right dynamics to it. So instead of just playing kick, right, left, left, all the same volume, we need to make sure that we're accenting certain notes. So we're going to go kick, right, left accent, then 2 ghost notes. So you'll get something that sounds like this. So subdividing this as 16th note triplets, 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into, that's 6 notes per beat. So we're just playing that pattern 4 times. Kick, right, left, times 4. So all I'm going to do right now is play 1 measure of a groove, 1 measure of that pattern as triplets. Let's hear what that sounds like. Alright, so we're not there yet, but it's a good start. We want to make sure we get the pattern down first, and then second, we get the dynamics, and then third, we get location when we start to move it, which we'll do in a minute, and then speed, that comes last. So, the dynamics, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, booga da ga da da, booga da ga da da, rather than and that doesn't sound that cool, but as soon as you add that dynamic value in there, it adds so much to the feel of this drum fill. So instead of getting this, you get this. All right, let's go ahead and speed that up. We'll play it a little bit faster. Alright, so as soon as you're about at that level, next we're going to talk about movement. So the first part, kick, right, left, we're going to play kick, right hand on our floor tom, left accent on our snare. So you get this. And then the next part is going to be right, left, all on our snare. So we're only moving 1 note, that first right hand down to our floor tom. Let's hear it. Alright, let's play it a little faster. All right, let's get some more movement in there. We're going to play kick, floor, rack, snare. So you'll get this. And then the second time through, we're going to get kick, snare, rack, floor. This. When you put those 2 together, you'll get this. All right, let's try that as our drum fill. All right, and the cool thing about this fill is since it starts with a bass drum, the bass drum is playing quarter notes. So if you set your metronome to whatever desired tempo that you want to play it at, then your bass drum is just going to follow along with the click. That 1, 2, 3, 4, back on 1 on the next measure. If you like the content you see here, please head over to my website, Drummer101.com. We both have free and paid memberships. You can check out the courses that we have to offer over there, get some practice in, and I will see you guys next time.